may know, we have a way to change our background can look like today. By default, when Windows installed, it'll show up a little bit of a little a classy little background, and I'll show you right now. By default, it'll show up this background here when it's fully installed, which is also known as Bliss. You can also change your background as is, and I'll show you what I'll get around in a minute. Now, in the display properties, you'll see the Themes tab. This theme will modify the way Windows will look. See, if you don't like what the way that Windows looks like here today on XP, you can also revert to Windows Classic. And so on. You can also get more themes online from Microsoft.com, whichever link they provide you with. The desktop is self-explanatory. You can change the background of the desktop, what it looks like here now. You can also browse for a custom on the picture of your choice to put it onto your desktop. But you got to know, you got to know exactly where your picture is before you can actually upload it to the desktop. To do so, you click on Browse, and then you can actually find the picture that you're looking for, no matter which folder it is. I'll cancel it right now. And there's also a button that says Customize Desktop. And this will give you a general idea what the icons look like now. And I'll get to more explanatory later on the intermediate session of the display properties. For now, we'll click on Cancel. The screensaver, what the screensaver does is will allow you to display the screensaver of your choice when the computer is idle for a certain amount of minutes. By default, Windows will set it to 10 minutes. Usually, I generally set it about 5 when I'm not in use of the computer and or laptop. And you can choose the screensaver your choice, such as the 3D flower box, which uses the OpenGL graphics interface, which I'll explain more later. You have plenty of choices on those screensavers, and you can also preview it to know what it looks like. And if you want to, you can password protect your screensaver, and only you or any other user can log itself in. If you only want to do this if you remember your password. The next thing is appearance, and this is way it changes the way that your window will look like, your file menu, the menus, and all sorts of things around you. Right now, I set it at the Windows Classic style because it takes less RAM and doesn't always slow. It doesn't always slows down your computer all the time. And you can change the color scheme, such as rainy day, red, white, and blue, the way that Windows 95 and all was classified as. This will become available when you choose the Windows Classic style. Okay. The next thing is settings, and this is where you want to make changes to your computer. Right now, I have it by default by 1024 by 768. It's because I am now using a laptop, and you can change the color quality. Monitors may vary depending what the size is, from 640 to 800 by 600 to 1024 by 768, and so on. But when you increase the screen resolution, You get much more bigger working area, but your icons and everything else will be smaller. Okay? Keep in mind that whenever you make a changes and you click on apply, it'll apply the settings now and everything above it. Canceling just cancels everything what you just done so far. It's self-explanatory. And clicking OK will just apply the settings and just closes the window. That's it for display properties.